Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the template to your project in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app. And here in the Canva app it usually opens up in the home menu. But from the home menu we have to go into the project. And here we have to select one that we want to work on. Like so. We have to wait a little bit until it loads. But after it is loaded, we can tap on the screen, and in the left side of the bar we find the plus icon, and if we tap on that, then we find the templates that we can select from. There are almost an infinite number of templates. We can search different kinds. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.